back, nail queens, to my favorite series where every couple of months I talk about my favorite dip powders that fall into a certain color category, and I'm going in rainbow order. So this time I'm covering my yellow favorites, and I'm gonna be honest, it's a pretty short list. And this is how short it is to give you an example. I only have 2 yellow dresses in my closet. Like, I own a lot of dresses. So for me to only own 2 of them, so one of them is this one. It's like mostly like black and gray with small hints of yellow. I try to be festive when I do my color favorites and wear the color that I'm doing, but I do have like a yellow blanket that counts, right? And if we're keeping it really real, my nail room is a mess. My desk is a mess. None of this is being cleaned up for this video, and I'm so sorry, but this is real life. Like, I have a whole bunch of packages right there. It's like, that's what my life is like when it comes to nail stuff. It just accumulates, you know? So I'm gonna get into my color favorites now, and we're gonna go over my list of yellow favorites. I took screenshots of every single color that I own that's yellow that I love. There's some that I'm like, I don't know. So to get started is a company I actually don't talk about a lot here on my channel because I haven't done a mani with them yet, but I probably have like 25 or 30 of their dip powders. So let's start off with that one, and that is Cali Girl Nail Dips. And this color is, drum roll please, purple and yellow, so that's why it's being included in here. It's called Aster, and it has yellow, white, and purple. I just thought it was really pretty, so I couldn't not include it into the this favorites list of mine because it is pretty and it has yellow in it, so it should count, right? Alright, so now this next color is called Golden Avocado from Ciara's Nail Glitter World. I talk about her a lot. I feature her products here on my channel a lot, so it's no surprise that I would love her products. So Golden Avocado, I'm trying to remember when it released. It wasn't that long ago, but it's yellow, it's got green. I feel like it's got some brown tones. It really does look like an avocado, all of the colors of an avocado. I just think it's really pretty. Now we're moving on to one of my favorite dip powder companies, which is Soul Dip, who I feature a lot on this channel, and it seems like you guys love her too because her videos, when I feature her products, seems to get the most love and views and stuff. So it kind of speaks for itself. So this color is obviously yellow, and it's actually all yellow, so it's a thermal changer. I think it's a thermal changer, and it goes from a darker yellow to a lighter yellow, and the color is called Lemonade, which is super fitting to the color name and this whole color series of yellow. I love this color. I haven't worn it yet, but I think it's really how many reallys can I say about pretty? Alright, this next yellow is called Strawberry Lemonade, and it's from Kimber's Creations. She released it in 2020, I believe, and it has pink in it, so it's called Strawberry Lemonade for good reason. It's got pink and yellow in it. It just reminds me of a jug of lemonade, and then you got the little strawberries floating around. I just think it's cute. I love this one, so that's why it's on my list. Now we have Torch from Vividip, and I think it's called Torch. Is it called Torch? I don't know. I'll find out. Yeah, I think it's called Torch from Vivid Glam Co, because she changed her name and she's rebranding. Vivid Glam Co. They're really pretty. It's like a mustardy yellow. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous in person. It's a lot like this mustard that I'm wearing on this dress, which, by the way, that's like the girl with the pearl earring. It's a brooch. Brooch. Yeah. Hi. Okay, so yeah, I love that one. I love mustard yellows. It's like one of my favorite shades of yellow if I had to pick a yellow, which is why this is here. Yeah, hi. And then this one's called What's Up Buttercup from Dipalicious Nails. It's another thermal, similar to the Soul Dip one, Lemonade. This one is like a different tone of yellow, and it's not as sheer in my opinion, but it's still a color changer. I love myself color changers, don't you? And then All Powdered Up recently released a mustard yellow, and it's like a shimmery flaky one. It's called Dijon Vu, so like Deja Vu, Dijon mustard, Deja Vu, Dijon Vu. Do you get it? I like puns, so that's why I love these names. I really like puns, so I love it when brands use puns as their color names. It just makes me happy. It's so witty. I love it, so I love Dijon Vu. And then Sunbelievable. This one You have to see it in person, to be honest. You have to see it in person to really understand how beautiful it is. You might look at the picture here and you'll be like, Carol, what the fuck are you talking about? It is really, really pretty. Like, I'm not kidding. In person, it's just so, so different. All right, so cornstalk from Revel Nail. It's no surprise. It came from, what collection was that? Their fall drop-ins like 2 years ago when they first released them. So cornstalk is really pretty. It's their version of mustard yellow. It's really pretty. That's it. It's pretty. It's pretty. Sunburst is another yellow they released. They released this with their Glitter Fest in 2020, and it took me a while to snag this one, but there's just something so like summery. Like, it reminds me of a summer mixed drink. It looks really good. Like, I could probably eat it, but I don't recommend you eat your dip powders. But yeah. All right, keeping on the Revel train, citrine. It's from their Treasure Trove collection that they released in 2019. I have the entire Treasure Trove collection, and let me tell you, it is some of their easiest glitters that Revel has ever released, in my opinion, to work with. They're not hard to work with. As long as you really know how to encapsulate glitter, then you'll be fine. Like, I was really surprised compared to like their chunkier glitters. This was easy to work with glitter. I think they understood like creating a base, filler glitters, medium size and larger sizes. Like, they had good ratio glitters in their Treasure Trove collection, and citrine is the yellow color from that collection that I think is really, really pretty. This next one, oh, this one's called Torch, so maybe the other one isn't called Torch from Vivid Glam Co. Okay, this one's from Dazzle Doll, and it's like a chromable dip powder, and it's called Torch. It's really, 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 really pretty. I haven't worn it, but I received it either earlier this year or late last year. I can't remember. It is very pretty. All right, so this next color is from Zooty Nails, and she has a whole Chemical X series, which I think is really, really cool. So she released this type of glitter in a bunch of different colors. So I have to obviously include this one in here, just because in terms of yellows, I would wear this one, whereas like, obviously I would wear the rest of her Chemical X colors, but if I had to pick like favorite yellows, this one's definitely one of them. And keeping on the Zooty train, we have Dead End and Detour Ahead. So this photo, you can see it's like a mustardy yellow, and you can also layer Detour Ahead on top of Dead End, which is really, really cool. So you can have the same color, but just like a shimmery version. So that's it, guys. That summarizes my yellow favorites. I told you it was going to be a very short list. Like, I don't have a lot of yellows, and my wardrobe went to show for that, because I'm like, this is all I have to show for yellow. Like, I have a dress that I purchased for 2 summer weddings this past summer, so I just didn't feel like wearing that one in this video because it was like more summery, and we're in fall time now, and this is a fall dress. So I was like, how can I make this very fall-y and keep wearing yellow? And besides, that dress is like white with flowers on it, and the skirt is yellow, so you wouldn't have even been able to see the yellow unless you looked at the cap sleeves, which is like this. It's the same company. I get all my dresses from like two same companies, so yeah. I've rambled your head off enough. So before I go today, I want to know, what is your favorite yellow dip powder from any company? It doesn't matter if I didn't mention it here. I would love to know, and I'll go ahead and check out what your favorites are, and who knows, maybe I'll just purchase it too. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. So I kind of discovered why I don't have a lot of yellow. Is it just me, or like, do I blend in a lot with this? Like, I feel like it does me no justice. It like does nothing for me.